Well done, my people. Now, good evening. Now, good evening, my people. Now, good evening. Now, good evening. Now, good evening, my people. Now, welcome, my people. There you come. Okay. Now, sorry for the speaker. We are having some problem with the speaker. I welcome my people.
Freedom is now never. We need to lose it forever.
I welcome my people. May we use this one jolly small.
We need to keep it forever. Let me hear.
Come on. Now welcome my people. Now welcome my people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. May our ancestors bless us. Oh. My people, now well done. I greet everybody. I greet man, I greet woman. Now welcome. My people, today program now. The way when our country be now. Everyday killing. Many youth they die. That make me come out too, because we need our youth need to wake up. They need to wake up to take their destiny to their hand. Let them not look anybody, look anybody. Let them wake up, our youth. Let Igodo youth wake up. Let all of them wake up. Igodo wake up. Isha people wake up. All the whole region when surround our place, more of them wake up the youth. Because if na wait for government, wait for traditional ruler, na lie you, they no get time. Make all the youth wake up. They no get time because what they happen for our place now. Only waiting they know that they do medicine, may not wake up. Oh. That they do, more not wake up, but more not worry, my people. Our people, Biafra people, Igodo, Biafra land, make una no worry. Our ancestors, they destroyed the medicine. He get medicine when they just do now. Make the youth, make them not wake up. But that medicine, our ancestors, they don't put back of hand. They don't destroy them. They don't destroy them and wake up. They not our government, our this thing, the traditional ruler, they not make good thing for us. Not only their family, when it say they get the United Kingdom, not only those one when they feel they give us something. Now it be the people when they want. My people, our youth, more than wake up, more than not vote for anybody. More than not vote, more than not vote. Many years when they vote, not you wanna see inside. Many years una dey vote, nothing. Hello. Good evening. Bros, please, I dey online. I dey for online. You want talk? Please, brother. Hello. Later, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mona not vote, oh, Mona cancel vote for anywhere for in Nigeria, for all the whole Nigeria. Sit at home, Mona not vote because person they pass, don't be stupid. Our government, they not mean good for us. Our traditional ruler, they not mean good for us. Only way till they mean for us. Now only dying, killing. Now they mean for us to do medicine, to destroy our life, to destroy our youth life. Make una not vote. Vote, make una cancel vote for our place. Anything vote, make una cancel one. Only waiting, sit at home. Because of when when the time of this in Ebola, yeah, the time of what is that they call them? The time of Corona, the thing what they bring make them share. Mona see how they heartless. The thing what they bring, they kill our youth because of those food. Now the time of answers, now I can't say their food, they had food, they build stores for food. Go reach the king's men, my people, our youth. Mona not vote for anybody. No vote for those states. No vote for the whole Nigeria. No vote because una dey vote. Now made the see una finish. Mona cancel voting. Voting not day. Mona take destiny for una hand. Una see Igbo land not the way where they kill people. If they come, oh, if they come, not be only that land they wait for. That they come. Make una see una tradition ruler. They do am. Artifact when they bring. They carry and give Hausa Fulani. Not be Hausa Fulani just now na traditional ruler. Say make the whole land because big money follow and come. My people, when they do that one, they can put Sariki for Bini. When they want do Igbo people, when Igbo people want do Asiatic Igbo for Bini, they not carry them go court. They say Igbo people not go put king for Bini, but they carry Sariki call Bini. Una not see the certificate when the man they show am. My people, our youth, may stand up. They don't put instrument for Bini when they go take Kiluna, so that make Hausa Fulani children. Now then go damnate Bini. Now then go damnate Idu Igodo Migodo. My people, vote Mona Kasona. Nobody when he go fight for una. Nobody, not Leuna, go take, even though una fight una no, they don't sign the killing. They don't already talk about the killing. They don't already talk about the killing for our land. Now, what is that they do now medicine so that make una not get sense for ourselves. But our ancestors even don't destroy the medicine. When they do, it never reach 3 days now. When they do, it never reach 3 days. Now woman do that medicine. Now woman do that medicine. Now woman do that medicine. My people, our youth, make una no vote. Make una take una destiny for una hand. Now una be the people when it be the children of tomorrow. Mona not let the old men make the call destroy una life. They not forget anything when they did for una before. They not get waiting they did for una before. People when be say not be they get our land. Mona not let them deceive una. Mona not let them deceive una. They don't put one name of society when they put for Benin now. They say United Kingdom of Benin. Not be na society where that name come from na Ile-Ife. Benin not be our name. Our name na Idu Igodo Migodo. Our name na Idu Igodo Migodo. They don't brainwash many Igodomigodo youth, many Igodomigodo people. And they tell you now, Princess Odonoje, they tell you now, he do Igodomigodo. Mona go ask question where una come from. Una no be Ile Binu, una no be Azalama, una no be United States of Benin Kingdom. Our name not be Benin. All those stories whether they bring come and say na warrior. Now in the fight, they call everybody can't use the name of the warrior. Can't say that they call Benin na foul na lie. Make una not believe that all their tradition whether they read, if whether they read na lie. They not teach una for school. Not be not they go come they read tradition for una. But he do Igodomigodo people, Isham, Afuze, all the whole region when it surround, go reach Urobo. Una be do Igodomigodo na dey na germinate. Go reach where they say they not be Biafra land. Na lie. Una be do Igodomigodo. Na that amalgamation when they put ever since then. When they take the rule us, when they don't let us get up, now they still the amalgamation they still put for the history like when the United States of Benin they read for now for Ile Ife. Now Ile Ife they bring Benin no be our name. Now he do Igodomigodo. Ogie amie do. Ogie amie oba do. Wala gogo iriado iri Igodomigodo ni ana change ekedo iri du wakin iya we boni anu wagari ore so that na ni ajo sisi gbelu wa wo gwanu waje wario wapagbe wariore webo eboni awa una odo eyin ni du gbago bojo ne eyin ni du gbago bojo ne ya wa mudianu wa they stand for una. They stand for Idu Igodomigodo Biafra land. They stand for that land. Any person when he wage war against Idu Igodomigodo, our ancestors go destroy her. All the whole team when they hide for Idu Igodomigodo, when they bring the stranger will come they use her, they manipulate our people, and they tell you na say ini do idigwogi do ogbog bago bojo iya ewa. They don't destroy everything. Idu Igodomigodo na Biafra land. Vote, make una not vote. Mona not vote for anybody. Mona cancel vote for this votes when they come. Mona not let them preach for una. Now for one night they be. They don't get any help when they dey for una. Now their family they go select enter post. They go carry our money. They go different places. They go carry our money. They go build a house. Bank for Yuboma land. Bank for Saudi Arabia. Both the traditional ruler. All of them are one. If you really love in people, ever many century years, our Idu Igodomigodo land for don't change. We for don't get light. We for don't get good hospital. We for don't get good school. We for don't get many things. You know, see, artifacts when the one brick come, he tell them make they come load that pool for palace, so that make them not build museum. That's why he arranged with Lala Mohammed that with their Kaaba, make they seize the artifact. Many big money follow and come. They not go chop that money. And you need to say if all those things, if they carry and come, disaster go and if above Benin carry a disaster go enter in generation. Disaster go enter because that thing it not belong to them. Na from Idu Igodomigodo. Not be their own. Not be their own. Na for Idu Igodomigodo. All the whole youth when you know say man go ask question where una come from. Whether na Ile Ife una be, whether Ile Binu una be, whether na Azalama una be, mona go ask question. Una not be Azalama, una not be Ile Ife, una not be United States of Benin. Make una be do Igodomigodo. Or you already dogbu wake gbe mi wae. Wagagi type because ogyo to yegi ogyo to. Abor yo nere dogbu make gbe mi ae. Even do wogi ogyo to. eyin akiki kenira webo netie iwi moto we ogio bayakin ogio to iwi dugi declare yan iya hia ogio to gi no iya na lawo ni rieva no kwa idu igodo mi godo re o jiya ki to no gba wi unless that anamie we century father here ona gelega owie idu igodo mi godo dey foreign na yakin dey uria dey ile ife ya kere agamie wi ile ife ya kere ebona ogigbia agamie wa ile ife eri hia ni ta iya kenere we bonere apetuge negua iya jogwe katidu iya ki lobe lawe so shall it be eri ni dukai eri digun dukai eri ave vi ya ni aviole he ni ana ya vioge eboni akerere eri ni ya eri akai so shall it be all the whole juto ancestors when warrior pagbe nu wa bioma ropa bu wa kegbe mi wa eni ni agibe mure United States of Benin eni ni ero to otu igodo mi godo eni ni ere vaya wa pe ni a beta imi duga agobo yin aye imi duga yin aki oto no gba bi imi duga lokin awa imi ave wo newu lo jeze ave you to newu lo ave wo ni agbolo secretly awu hu hia ni apozi ni aje ebi Yoruba muni anwo bota idu igodo mi godo ave wo ni newu lo iya jin aki oto no gba bi iya jin aki oto no gba bi aso iya jin aki oto no gba bi bava iya jin aki oto no gba bi ege hia ofo sanobo adekanya ebona gi sin agberi ayin dukai iya na rieva no koto ni we no koto igodo mi godo re ebo ayin dugi ori ebona ya owo wa sin agbe so shall it be waga johamu wa awanu wari opagbe nu waga gi vote awanu wa we sit at home waga igaze yin aye alanu no abe yakin alanu no abe eyin yakin Nigeria gba 61 jersey ebi ropa ma change be bo ni o ma change be o ti do idu igodo mi godo o ma change bo ta Nigeria bu vi agi gbere gbe mo vote re when wa do vote iya vie iya clame emi ye wima iya mu aje ba iya wa fi aje ba ni adogboli ma wa wala ha waga vote no maropa waga vote eju to ri bi du iya gwanu wari opagbe erugwa iya magbina enugwa o si ebe ni mejenia ma be family me magi gwa magi ku because ezo ni metin ae imegwa tin azo iya magbina ni ma eriya the century father okeke apade tin apagbe be ni mapagbe na wa ku oru nye no rebu mani no wa vigo ya no rebu ma na gesi ma bo iya ma dolu poju ni ma iya ma we ropa ni ma iya ma mu esku agbero ijo mo ga ve yoja ya sofa ya treno money iya gwanu yari ebebe ne negwa uga se negwa iya gwanu ya mu million re eyin ni dugwa iya ajin aki otono gba bi ave chief hia ave ya ne mi bi era igo be gwani iya ajin aki otono gba bi so shall it be eri aka e mota iwe ti no negbele eyi du uni ageme eyita a princess ogin yakin a princess no ni ave spirit gba mi egbe eyikin iya me ni awu iya plan mi dada me all return again generation biya all return any do we return again digi do return again o do no get return again of atogi return again za ogi return again ogi return again so shall it be ojo biekme ogi return again any do any sa any bieka na yagu no yota zaruda iya mami ma no yo bonia iya mami imuna iya mami go ya de school iya mami yo boro panokobe emi no salo bo avio yota we ma de aru eso na wa mujayin na avio ani yani na avio eni ni dugu ya yo yin akioto no gba bi bo ya ni avio le ewu ya yin akioto no gba bi so shall it be or ye gia, unless I ho get the nena, Madekaya, Wota Nigeria ni, or got the Kaya, a Bonagasia, baby do ye giane, so shall it be. My people, a youth, make una not vote. Papa, mama, make una not vote. Na Coca-Cola they go give una. Na spaghetti they kill una you to children put for the time of answers. If I na when I ha again ni aya we ne mi amena voe here ya na vioile he e ban give la dia na wa do vote wa ga vote no maropa no wa ke vote no wa miebo wa miebo wa ke vote wa miebo wa ga vote no maropa wa ga vote e biafra no riye ko gwa igbo iya gwa otunya iya we sariki otunya ya na je style ya mwere artifact ni atemu de iya na muna usafula ni umani ya je no bete emi ni gaji ya ki to no gba bi ikiya ne mamure iya ne gwa e government no mu e oji ya ki to no gba bi YouTube iya gwa nu gwa ga fiafia manu gwa la ho no why we lebi no why we United States of Benin o we do igodo mi godo wakin no wagwale he no wakere no ga gyorio be eboni amuke wiare ni ga ya isu nu giwa odo ayi du gbago bojone iya serio ni ya ale boni ya destroy ni ale eboni ya pe na ya unhu generation ya eyin ha ya moe because iya ji Mario Jagbe ya to howa iya mato hima iya mato hera iya mato hinje iya mato he omonegi vera iya mato homo okwonegi modo iya mato hiya veni vinya haja la ije weekend hebe webo veni haja bo wano mahe veni haja delimoto ni vinya bo webo iya ziwe iya mazi uwa oruparo eviro paro e generator tutututu e generator ga pe ye ibiaka gbeyan we typhoid fever we rasi e typhoid fever igogo generator no e toru pate igwero na ya moru paye do na ya moru paye ehia iya traditional ruler iya government iya ri ehia iya ya doli iya ji iya hawe marriage aeroplane no a private jet no ri gbe no ri 15 no ri 20 oyin pack ye na ru opa na we marriage igo no ya do ni o ma se na ya morupa yo to Nigeria o ma se eju to wari opa gbe wa take a destiny to na hand u pa wa gbigba va wa ga diwie dioma ni agbo wa kemi wa e without ware bo ni emi wa ni ya rule eju to wari opa gbe wa ga vote a vote ni agwa me du ge etena waga vote no maropa waga vote no why ke vote ngwa me vote waga vote no maropa e boni agwa una nia ni du return egg generation ya ibi agare webo uhu ya return egg anywhere evini agwa be uju uhu ave jutumia evini agwa be uhu omoni ya bie uhu ya oye no any do return egg uhu ya ne so shall it be eri ohaje wala ha wario re waga give vote sit at home waga sit at home ina dikano evi no ma omure no wagari oja because ewe bona je school e lot ona je school obeg e meni ga wi ma meni ya bank ga wi ma e ma wa mego e lot ma mego by ma e go di ma iya to na evio iya kieno ave traditional ruler iya kieno ave oba keke ave mina echana wa yeru echana no wala ugo ha echana imeku gwagwana ejut emi wa ja ma wa kwe e traditional here fo ne e godoro ta Nigeria ya kenene e raro ta Nigeria ya kenene no toro ya kenene iya magwa no madawa wa to bu wa stop a madness no waro te in Nigeria ni no waro state ogi mani o to idu igodomigodo ibi United Kingdom ebi United Kingdom of Edo ni akile ifere iya gwi mani vidu my mother ni maya are group magare group ima iya gi gwalore iya do vi my picture iya gwi my mother iya gwen ma be Biafra mama sikagbe ma be Biafra mama sikagbe but iya mu esariki adiedo iya mu adiote idu igodomigodo esariki iya be sariki sikagbe okay iya kami iya gwe United States of Benin yaki ma Benin idu igodomigodo is Biafra land evani eimahin evini mehin ugwegi fosi mea ni medola United Kingdom iye United Kingdom of ile Binu of Yoruba iyo okay ivi godomigodo iya be me a platform ogiya iye do a disturb iya be me WhatsApp group iya gi la we vie picture viore awe bogi le Binu ogiya ya sule ni yo okay egwegwe ni ma Biafra gwa ma relate fine evi no come ma wa pona evi ni ma egwi makere idu igodomigodo makin my United Kingdom of Benin because Benin eni Yoruba no eni le Ife no idu igodomigodo egwi ma evi ni eva eniye ugwe ihonu we fosi mejo a weti fosi meje eba eniye weti fosi mejo ibi le Binu ibi godomigodo wa eti fosi anje ni ado United Kingdom ogugwa ogi ile Binu idu igodomigodo aiki ei mahin weti fosi majo wa nebe kile ifere wa biaro nuwa mi na mwe Kingdom wa rile Ife idu igodomigodo Biafra land ei mahin evani esankere evani abu obone bukere evani ave a region wa surround Edo State idu igodomigodo yakere wane kile Ife no United States of Edo ma bi Edo ugwa change eji ma hu ma gi gwalo ma be are group ogi ma waga ibe babima ma baba ogugwa ma le luwa ma ni no tun wa we gbe odo ayi ni du iyan ri gwere ju wa gbe na eyin ni du gwere ju wa gbe ne wala ho wasima ayi idu igodomigodo Biafra land eyi ma hin e map ro paro nu wa mu de ma he ne boundary ma la ma he no la ma he ne e boundary ma la ma he ni makere ma no otima ma me ne otima wa hianti wa gwe ni mado deba ewo ni mama ni mama ma Yoruba Maria Mala Maria Gwedu Maye Bisilu Nwome Oyigwo bitter leaf na we dey eat we no dey eat amala na bitter leaf na we dey eat na bitter leaf na ogbolo soup we dey eat na egusi soup na we dey eat we no dey eat ewedu we no dey eat amala the time when we come introduce una for akpu before na dey use akpu dey laugh Igbo with Isha the time when we come introduce una put to say good now na come give us satana 6 to 6 package shirt hello
Hello, good evening, Mama. My name, make sure you receive my call, well, Mama.
Thank you.
I think this is the way you do.
Yeah.
This is the way you do this afternoon.
Yeah.
I let me call you so, Mama. Who be the people who dey trust me? What's the warranty?
They say Abba said they come, make they come kill me. They say Abba said they come for all of the day with authority, all the people, everything. And so,
I don't even know whether they are
uh-huh.
No, we do can't see how to this social told me that president went down and called the look for money when he wanted to take lawyer.
Uh-huh.
When I back on top, say no send on me, go to get money.
Okay.
Abi, say no send now. I don't know. This one are Europe or not be Nigeria, they forget.
With the look there.
For Europe, this is not their president, this is not their king. At the end of the day, you go court, nothing will happen.
Okay.
I did not be supposed to slam me, governor for France that day.
Okay.
Not be only 4 months, I be 2 months jail, they say 1 day they will leave her. Tell me, sir.
Okay.
Nothing where they go do her. You not shake her. You not shake his back, you not shake his family, nothing. What is the worry then? What is their problem? What is the worry then? And no, make you not mind them. Anyone when you see the picture, go to Sarah.
Me, I not the shake. Me, I not the shake. I not the shake. I dey here.
Not the waka. Not the waka alone for night. Now only that I will tell you. Don't right. Thank you, person.
Thank you, my sister.
Anywhere where you go for honorary date time where you know say camera will see catch anything where you happen to you. That's the waiting I know.
No, the problem not dey that one.
Go happen to you.
Problem
not
not
say
dey
see their life, you never die.
Problem not
for that one reach.
They not fit close this mask. Now Ancestor send me message. Now he send me. I not come for my power. I come for the power of Einidu. Einidu, when they deny. He do it go to me, go to when they deny for that land. Now they send me. Now they send me message. Now they not fit do me anything, my sister. They not fit.
I beg, Mama, me you don't mind them.
No, thank you, my sister. Thank you.
No problem. I beg, me you not your mind,
Okay, thank
anything
you.
they say, come, just be, anybody will call you. As I call you, before you start picking the call, press record. If my text away, later you delete the record. That's when I use the talk. Right? Everybody will call you. Just press record. If
Yeah.
your person, you delete. If now those email people, now you see grab the voice record. You understand?
Yeah.
I beg, just do it like that here.
No problem. No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Is your strength.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
My people, I beg, make una take una destiny into una hand. We for our place, when they don't start to the eat akpu, they can't give am packet share 6 to 6 satana. Now that proud, now we know these people where be Lebinu, where be Azalama, now we know they put. Now we know they put. Ati na here. Make our youth man wake up. Sit at home. Sit at home. Make them know say we una dey serious. If una want go, if una want come out outside, they know that they kill una. Make una sit at home. Bodisha and Benin. He do it go to me go to. Sit at home and not vote for anybody. Man and not vote. How many years una don dey vote? Wetin una see? Wetin una see? Man and not vote. Nobody should come out vote because nothing one at the scene. If una vote finish, una want vote now, they go open government house for una. Open Aso Rock. If they don't win, they close Aso Rock. That time you not go see person wanna vote for. That time they go come from lie. They go tell their police, their SARS, how they go tell even though they una any small mistake, they go say no do this. Carry innocent people put for prison. My people, our youth, wanna wake up. Wanna wake up. Wanna wake up. Voting for Nigeria, Mona, no vote. Everywhere. No vote. Hausa, Mona, no vote. Hausa, they don't kill una enough. Mona, no vote. Mona, no vote. Una they vote, that they kill una. They use a llama, they destroy una things. They use many things, they destroy una. Mona, no vote. Mona not vote for anybody. Mona not vote. Mona do sit at home. Mona take destiny to. If you not fail at this time, oh no, this one not be say the suffer one they not kill it. They go knock for our house. They go kill you. Draw na come out. Draw na come out because they don't. All these rulers they don't keep money. They go enter the aeroplane. They fly come out. Their private jet. They don't keep their money. Sit at home. Any vote, Mona cancel vote. Mona not vote. Mona not vote. Sit at home. Because if not only not the candle na sit at home for, it dey okay. Because in the candle make good for now. In the candle, una know how much they don't take bribe. Even some of the people when they start the struggle because of money, some of them run, they come out. But it's still dead there for now. It's still there. He swear. He dead there because he's fighting for his people. Mona wake up, all the whole youth. All the whole youth, Mona wake up. He do it, go to me, go to Isha. Mona not let any medicine whether they do it, let Binu people they do. Whether they blow commission. Mona not let, although any sang bola go bobo. Any sang the destroyer. Any sang the destroyer. Why? Why be say 11 people hate Igbo? They feel say if not then they did die between Hausa and Yoruba for Igbo. And they tell you. And then they did die. Now then anyone when he go plan evil against me, any do go plan evil against, he go destroy her, return to sender. They know. Then know. Then themselves know. Me when spirit they thought to see what they happen for the land. Unless if I offend the spirit, none go feed do me something. I know they offend them. Now they beg me. I say I don't want it. They beg. Go for us. Do it for us. Even if it is anything, don't go for us. That is the promise for them. That's the promise for the people that die in Libya Sea. That's the promise for the people that die in Morocco Sea. That's the promise for the people that the courts when they put for our play, our Iduikotomiko, when they take care, our people, our children. That's the promise. They promise me. They cannot. Instead of them to succeed, Benin land go become Sodom and Gomorrah. Everybody go lavish. Everybody. You go lavish. They're going to do medicine. They're going to do medicine. If they see who they grow, they go kill them away. If they see one challenge, then they go kill them away. Nah. The head that die in our land. The people want to frustrate. The people want to do wrong justice for them, for that palace. When they go think, they get hypertension, they die. Those heads, I stand. They say me. They say me. They say me. The people that die in the sea, with the enemy do. Our people that die, no go to hospital, pregnant women. Where white people, they value pregnant women. White people value pregnant women. When you pregnant, right from 1 month, they disturb you, call hospital, they check. Our leader, they don't value pregnant women. They don't value children. They don't nothing they value. They don't value human life. They only value the right big car, the right private jets, their converts. They value people, that people go to serve them. They only value their family. Other people, they don't value. I stand for the people that love their life. Because of our leaders, because of our traditional ruler, they are the one that I'm working for. They are the one. Will not fit do me anything. Nobody. 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 Now God they do mercy again. Nobody. 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 The where spirit, me spirit was stand because they talk. Now God do mercy. Now this year I not gonna know. Now this year I not gonna know. I must know. I must know. God do mercy for youth again. For youth. That mercy go return to our generation. That thing one that they do make you to not wake up. For the do it go to me go to land. That thing one that they go return to our generation. Laziness go enter our generation, body. Those people that are doing it. Our people they die. Our people they die, now they happy. They do medicine. Una put them for good position. Una put them for nice position. Put them. Una let other people they destroy. Now go they do medicine again. He go locate all of una. You woman. You woman. You woman that do that medicine, your generation will not be. It will not insane this life. Oti go enter your generation. All those medicine one that they do since there. Oti go enter. You woman when they stand, when you get to toe, you see blood. Maybe your own don't dry. Maybe you see the sea. You get here, and it will destroy you and your generation. For the evil thing where they do for our land, you know, carry stranger to do. Can't they do evil for you? Do it go to me go to. Can't they do evil? Can't they do evil? Can't they do evil? Do evil for children where they for Europe. Do evil for the one where they has made them not wake up. Yo, that do it. Every do it digunebere. It digunebere locate her. Let the generation be destroyed. Let them receive destruction. You want to put my youth for bondage. Your generation will destroy. All those things where you do, every do it on a unless you marry if I not go to unless you not eat food where the mother of the earth produce, unless breeze of God not touch you, unless you not drink water, unless you not bath, unless you not the rest, unless you not the shit, you not the peace, unless you not the scratch your nose, unless you not the knock your head, they do one like this. If you they do one, everything where you do will return back. Return back. Return back. Return back. You stranger that come to do go to me, you want to destroy the people there? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Unati say power not there for you do again. Unati say do spirit not the work. Power did that land. Ide. It's me. Omone Sabieli. Princess Odohunoji. Princess Oza. Princess Idigunebere. Princess. I will jump here, my Lord. I'm their princess. Sure. You start again to medicine for the youth. Visitor medicine. Medicine will not be doing good to be good. Unless the breeze of God no touch you. Unless you know the past domot enter your house. Unless you know the shit. You go pay for this thing where you do. You go pay. United States. Affair. Well, now no, say no, you not get that land. You get one video where I look yesterday. Even this is there when they do the video. And they send her for me. I don't they get chance look. I look her. So this guy just record this rake. You they record this rake. You not get it. You know they look left and right. Hey, me do very metwell. In metwell again, do what you call river, you kunare. In metwell, enemy do. Enemy go to me go do in metwell. In metwell, oh, oko no heleli, you to never jo koni. In metwell, enemy do. Youth, mona not vote. Make una take una destiny to una hand. Una no let person wanna get. When you go make una smile, I be ina dikano or homadike. I do it go do me go do. No let that one. You no go. I only ina dikano. Now be hope when all the whole you to get for all the whole Nigeria, our states. Only in the Kano, nobody, no president when he go come again. No president when he go come again. When hope go there, you know there. Unless they divide, now everybody go get rest of mind. That divide. No presidents, no traditional ruler. That oppression. If these people, when if sell us, when if sell us give Oyibo, sell us give Ikotokin, if they still continue, we not divide. When unless I even do. Your height to destroy him. Oh yes. No president when he go come for that land. When they go do us the way we be for Europe. You know there. Unless Madike ina the Kano. Unless in the Kano. Unless or Amadike in the Kano. You to wake up. Grab that man. United States of Benin not go happen now. You see as that they get mad for social media. Both they are poor boys. Both they are women. Now so it go still be. No help. Nothing. 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 Except in the Kano, everybody will divide, go on the own. Oh yes. Oh yes. Youth. Isha youth. Make una wake up, eh? Make una wake up. Both the one way there for Europe. Both the one way there for Europe. Una wake up. Both the one way there Nigeria. Una reach to handle una place. Una reach. Since when did they vote? What did they give una Isha? Auchi, what did they give una? Sabogida ora, what did they give una? What did they give una? Out the whole Isha, what did they give una? Not be police station. They give una water, they give una good road. Not be na egbaluge now, they repair road by una safe. What did they give una? Na law they give una. They give una law. Or there's una they tell una mona go moto be like moto me I tell una moto for Europe. It be like I don't know how I go take describe her. Moto. As far as saying that Europe they punch you. Even if they not punch you for you, you come you don't get document they work. You can carry motor when you want carry. For back, they go they remove small money for you. That do it for now. Esa or Oba Bini do it for now. Governor they way don't do it for now. Apart from Abrosali, when the sticky. Ide Ababi nene me ha never cow. Ebole bo. As far as say ebole bo that year. Or what ye be ebole bo whether vouta ke amebe. Or what we take bo pa work ke hasare. O me go ni government ya be sire go no say. Or are you what we are there? Eki feke ari obi go kere si wori. Eki feke ogayi moto no. Eka oki ye mu moto eki ari obi go kere si wori. Uki ilefo ebo. Who has the hospital? Oku abie. Hasa. Ewa agwa mi obi mi amekere ari evegbe. Oba se dagbare eda wolu e blood test dag o. Ebo kiri foni kole ebu wa vade o. Na gbo check o na gbo ekun na ri ebo. Eri will test, eri will test do. Eri will do igodo. Igometi no ro eri bo. President no ro eri eri bo. Ba ye vote. Mena mana seva. Princess Odohunoji. Ebo ne he. Ne va genie dagbare. Egbena ye lalare dagbare. Eni ebi Yoruba re dagbare. Eni meyi princess no sele. Eni meyi princess no say. Me daughter mawa. Waga ye vote iwe san. Ikbianeri wo tesan, ikwoneri wo tesan, igbolugere. Waga ye vote. Ori ani ba ri obore bi ke koregi na dikano ne muhwe. Oro pa ori a change e dagbono senwa. E balubebu ebo oki mu ogbo wote esan. Oki mu ogbo wote idu igodo mi godo. Ina the kind of party when government here one over there. In Yoruba, be Oba no rivedo, wo fesi nima be Igbo nima aloja. If family no say you go no one in Nigeria dagbare or ere kokowa. If you are Bodonia, private jet, aeroplane, no better 20. Okay, are in marriage no say any goni na red money private jet ava deni oba sare mukpa bota Nigeria religion oba sare mukpa bota sabote do ota idu godo mi godo igo ma dogi moto ni bi right the webo dogu waneji do ade ni supermarket ya na dogi bere luigu Nigeria je bako bi Saudi Arabia religion nene baba egbonugere ba je 40 ebole bo oku ahama amu ebe na remu konkoko aki obia ke Hassan okwo no bie omo aki mu wa so he na mani mono seva na rive do na rive bole bo o wa ni banki bo ni gometi bo maki gbo ma mi ore asoso ribo maki aki gbeku no ri wa ki na wa ke anyewo adi besa boro ni bo te ote Nigeria bo te do nene bi baba aye 40 ba ye vote baba vote esa bona buku ba ye vote ma wo ga gbe a o emele ma wo ga gbe a o emele ba ri obo fe Biafra o e ba no sa bo me ma fa aba bi ne ba wo mo di baba say hen won for many years eso you know where the Morocco e di Libya wa lo gweri be webu I government da mu inuna gba wota san biota do igodo I mo di be na bu gedegbo do aro we na be webu ba ki ye gbo pa no ba do vote emuna mi na fi wota san no liwa emi oko ba na bo na nyamila oba bini won I government won bobizwa mo e bi ya usare ni re ni ma emi reja emi ni ba ko baba mi ore no rijo boni bare kemi aba mu loni ni bare amugbo aba mu loni ni ku onere adwaki ina di kano ada ga emi reja ina di kano di odi mu nemi ni ba obo ni Nigeria am independent 61 years emi orukpari bi orukpari bo tesan orukpari bo oge deme kidnap ipokwa egbonebo abo anti road to this thing back ye pano don vote baga vote no resource you to variable way wanna take na destiny wa ba mi bi oba soso ne negbi Morocco na bebo ebo ba mi bi oba ne negbi Morocco na bebo ebo ibi president or ibi governor ebo ne ka rule ba mi ye we wotesa eye bo le bore we judge ne ra yi ma go munigo nehe omo ne ba se bia munigo ko e bi bank omo na ba se bia no mo no omo ne ba se bia omo ne ye bia ba se ye bia e bank go ne wotabo ebo ba ki ye pa no do vote e ri ko ki opa ni ba gari emi ame vague ni agboro ge donate go re mune by 5 hotel Nigeria eda Jacob no nehe aboba oba ne riwe ko do de ba ne riwe do eye ebe gbo ni YouTube eye Ebola corona eba na ni eboro ge donate go wa ne rega eda mu no nehe eye hensa se da gbo ni YouTube da do me ge mu ne ba nehe egare eye obi mi kera ga na ba emi ni ba ufo ba ye do vote ri ko kini ba right to say ga ogi ko kyopa aba ne ba hu agogo ba ga ye vote referendum ni ina di Kano oropa change mena se ba tamaba princess odohunoji oni opa eni nova de ri yen santa eri ni do igodomi godota eni ribo ni ani ne ile binu oba no be do bi Yoruba no obi sade mina Ile Ife obi Ile Ife no mami otori ancestors wo bi Ile Ife no eni ye san wo bi Ile Ife no eku no ma si wota dore do igodomi ma eku no ma pa ba vote no ya soso igo no se ma re gian oba no be do banko e be bo ebo eye gbe no so obo eye di baby oy eye di ekene na enwenwe na oba to ho ba o vai o lavi rule abare karu e lavi rule e da gbe ma alia mo obega abare karu o ye vania nothing o e wa mare dia ame hope go avai o di wo mu ni fabrica ni more anwu na gani mo kire ju no gani iju to cut sikira gbe ni mo bedo ba hu agogo inene aba egbanugo ba vote no there so I vote I vote ekupe 1960 when Nigeria get independent be ba mi ebo eyo we bare ju gbata to we bare ju gbo opia bare nwu na binia biam wasebo ebo ne mugbo ebo ga tractor ne religion imoto ne rekia o de o no ga tractor ne efa bebo ebo ere besunu bebo ebo e ba ho ne change ebo ma e ba ho ne mo rai we atara eki agwalori na egbe ya If ye agbe a any do be any sa we be agbe no. E bo na chiti ma ne muni go no sema. Mo domu no jani wie. Omo ne ba se bie ne. E hekwo, e he ikwo. Imom e di no ye na eru. Eri go mara wedi. Ere mu ne diro. Abajulo nene juno obi mi avekeri ava abami go retutegbe. Omo abia mi go re discharge of the hospital. Ababi nene ba vote no so meno mono seva. Princess Otohunoji. Changes the vibe hotel woman. Me ba ya ho na papi nene aloja. Enemy sa wa. Enemy do go to mi go to wa. Awe agwo yisa. Ba vie vote. Ona me dagbare doctor mava yisa wa bu. So bo ate power. Enemy sa gbigbe no bless you. Oria no wi gwale mi na me darie san. Omo no rube bo ebo oto anyunu ekinabo. Ikumunelu da iyutu no sena money ma biene. Ibi manelu rube ebo keneru bugwa oto anyunu ekinabo. Ene evi ne mama ni okire turn je. Ibi do it good. Ibi le binu ebe mama dama okire turn je. So shall it be. Eriodia. Menomono seva. Princess Otohunoji. My people, now my people I don't talk to them. No make them no vote. Put her for Biafra. They are Biafra. We are not the kingdom of Benin. Now, they are from Ile-Ife. Let me play one voice record before now. Put that voice record. I first play at that day. Mona still listening. Anyone Mona go listening and go for my house. Make a player. Mona know where it come from. Never enjoy that vibe. On my voice recording me and move on. Never play or never enjoy. Oba no redo that vibe go room nyeno. What no sema. Kuno masive do it. Manya no toni. Mabogo esese. Ne that ye do. If you let binu no azanama. If you azanama ne kiye zubu. Princess Italy. Enemy do all jemo ho. Enemy san gbegbe jemo ho. I born a hell he ne da hosi orun nya ava demo e otonosi do igodo migodo e jemo ho. Yeah. E jemo ho. E ya hu me, ima hu ne gbe me wo. O se no ba no moto no mohu. Do de bari ni san ni enemy do igodo migodo. E ri me kiki. Eri mebi keke. Eri mebi keke. Ima hu ne gbe me wo. Ima hu ne gbe me. But mere wa ni yesa. Eri mebi keke. I not get power of my own. Na power of our ancestors and God Almighty that creates heaven and earth. That said, let there be light. There could be light. He still said, let there be darkness. There could be darkness. Not there. Not there. Nothing. 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 If they plan, it go revert back to them. Or we are they man, they woman. When it was plan evil against the children, when it youth, when it they Europe, destiny killer. If na Nigeria they from the court, they throw the arrow. And you do return again. You return to them. Any man, any woman for DSS, for when he arresting at the Kano, when he go one lay hand, plan evil to killing at the Kano, that hand, that mind when he take you can, all the generation they will receive the curses of our ancestors of Aimidu. So shall it be. Yegia, Ogati no Yegia second. Any person, when he get hand, for in the kind of kidnapping, when he get hand for in the kind of kidnapping, and the way he dead, suddenly dead. That's when they no expect. Now you need to go carry give them. So shall it be. Now Vato go give them. Now Dohunoge go give them. Now Idigunebere go give them. Now Zak go give them. be there this evening. If they eat, if they drink water when it come from that land when they day, if they eat the food when the land produce, the mother of the earth, it go reach their body and their generation. So shall it be. So shall it be. That's too much for these people. Now, but they rule for since 1960, nothing changed. Person go come and talk and I go say, when mouth. They are useless, illegible children when it's there for different Europe. They go say, when mouth when they talk. And even do go break all of them. Since 1960, when Nigeria got independent, no good road. Nothing. Man, I go. Man, I touch that in do land. Those, when it's not the truth, when it supports bad. Make una eat food when come out there, drink water, shit, sleep. Man, I see what it go happen to now. Wanna know the truth when they. Wanna know the truth. You get one where be say, na Ghana, in mama, na palace he walk before. In mama they work for palace before he die. Na Ghana in mama carry the bell. Na Ghana ma de bonafo. Mati die. He say in a princess. I don't find out. I don't find out. Mati die. He say in a princess. Whether they call her unshakable, we say him be unshakable. I don't shake her. Na Ghana woman, why don't they boast for social media? Na Matida. Ghana woman. So like mama they work for. If they follow that, they all this witch when they throw away, when they don't confess, they will go use them that they for palace. Na bona, na Ghana man no, because in mama confess. Nobody pregnant in mama again. I Ghana ma pregnant in mama. Matida. When they get ma saying be princess. I tell her make it. Matilda, listen, I want to give you this message. I even do say make I tell you. You say you be princess. They're not arguing with you. They give you this week when one enter. Do live video for money song. We go use chest it down. Me, I go do. You go come out. Carry my number there. Call me if you ready. Come out. Do live video. Do live video. Make me and you first money song for 4 hours. May we know who be princess. Now what you even do say make I tell you. I even do, but if you not do that thing, you go open us and take kilogram. You must do it oh. May we know whether your father not be Ghana, it be. Whether you be Bini, whether you be Godomi Godo Pikin, or whether you be Ile Binu Pikin. Now your mother, now it be Ile Binu, but your papa na Ghana, Matida. Where you marry one ex-police for whether na police or what it be or what it be for Jamie. When you still use your toto, ashawo, braboy, pure boy key. That you bought baby girl, you born one girl for her. That one now junkie still be like you, Matida. Now this week, I even do say, may we come out. Call me, may you tell me the dates. The dates. I go wait to reach 3 days, then I go write her, post her to you. See the time, see the hour. Come out with video. People, I go arrange with video. People go video me. Me with you, go stand for money song. 4 hours. If you now there we go know whether you be really princess or whether you be evil, you be a dope person. Put the music. My people wanna wait. I 5 player by 1 player.
For us to remember our ancestor, our common ancestor, Oromina, who was a great leader, went to Benin Kingdom to be the first king in Benin, came back to Ife to be the 6th founding of Ife, and they started having offspring, and to the glory of God, we are the offspring of our ancestors. We have never recorded in history the altar that he was there, because he was
Oromiya.
actually
Na Ile-Ife.
ancestral background.
Oromiya came from Ile-Ife. Na the king they talk for Mona Lisa.
King in Oyo, became king also in Ife.
Did you hear that? The Benins who always fight that Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba man. Did you hear that?
I go still repeat
My
Mona
greatest
Lisa
surprise is
that word.
Oba of Benin was sitting down. He is the one Ooni of Ife is presenting the gift of their father, Oromiyan to. He heard when Oromiyan said, when Ooni said that this is the gift, this is the photo of their father, the prince of Ife, who went to Benin to become the first king of Benin, and later came back to Ife to become the sixth Ooni. Did the Benin people hear that?
No.
Benins, why can't you all fight
Makida,
for one goal?
listen,
Why can't you all
Makida.
tell this Oba of Benin the truth? Because he knows the truth. He knows the truth. When you people are fighting yourself, he's laughing at you because he knows that he's Oromiyan descendant. He knows that he's a Yoruba man. He never deny his family. You Benins are the one denying for him. You Benins are the one killing yourself that Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba person. Whereas he knows, he was sitting down. He was the one. They want to offer the gift of their father. Ooni said, this is a gift of our ancestor. It means their ancestor, the both of them. Ooni ancestor, Oba Erediawa ancestor. Benin people, I don't know what to call this. Is it foolishness or what? These people did not bring good thing in our land. The palace of Oromiyan never brought good things into our land. They brought cultists, they brought 401 gods, they keep people, they use our reality, they want the way they want, they intimidate us, they did all sorts of evil things to we the aborigine. And still yet, you people are still fighting for this bastard palace. Why can't all of us raise our head and speak one voice and say enough is enough? They have to go back to Ile-Ife because it happens before during the time of Oba Ewaipe. When our fathers, they said enough is enough, the intimidation is too much, that Oba Ewaipe have to go back to Ile-Ife.
My people, now you. Esa, me honi me kike kwene vi na ba dan hene. Any voice recording. I go play am for you some people make them hear. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Ramadan.
Anegbe.
Ayo Sondro Bulu, Arasa. Arama.
What contribute to what?
What here?
Abu, Bosa.
It may have gone made us in Mamata. Yes, somebody of Owe. Yes, I say, yeah, where? They only that way.
The man, right, be me.
The man, they only that way. That's why I'm not going to work on Nigeria. Work is changed. I'm not going to work. I'm not supposed to change the identity. And don't take the identity that clear me. Also, for me, you're Owe. If I say you're Owe, if someone say you're Owe,
where was Amelia, Netaria,
say African is preaching and they tell you about it. If someone belongs to Edo Nepal, if someone they belong to.
Okay.
Well, like me, never commission in Europe. It don't make a dose statement. It maybe a dose statement.
Okay.
Mr. Mayor Samek in the dosage, Samuel dosage, Mamma, and the abandoned soldier be. My father a soldier. He tell me, say, make me not be a do. Whether they say I don't never know. Say, later of the day, I don't take come. That day, to take come. As far the Nigeria now want divide now. My belongs to a do. Yeah, madam, please that message to make people to know. And the answer I say your own way, it's a and then me watch your program. It's a say your way. I tell you what way, and so Esa was Bunedo. Esa, was Bunedo. But you say, yeah, way. The man is surely in that way. Madam, what will please this your preaching? God will continue to bless you. God will continue to show you the way. And then your way is totally clear. And then now we say no. When we reach commission for this Euro, they say we are for corporate. I say na Nigeria. They say we are. I say na Asia. They say na Edo. I say no. I no be Edo. I be Asia. They say Asia. I say yes. They go on. They see.
Okay.
As they go on, they see, and they are not be a dog. I cannot use myself say I be a dog. Never. Wear me for call. Now be a date when I show for Europe. Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know what to make it and never one wake up. They say the country of Nigeria don't misbehave. They never one wake up. You don't even tell where they're supposed to wake up. Nowhere they belong to.
Exactly.
I don't know why. I don't know why. Now all you are the thing I say they print the message now. Now all you mean the thing I say they print the message. If a woman when they day Europe, I don't know why. But when they day the Europe, I don't know why they don't print the message. They don't belong to also believe when I say that if that is snake, is Isha. Make the first Isha before the kiss snake. Now the thing they belong to. I don't know why. And then I be so I don't believe. Now what did we say European people? And then I say a day. Now what I said this? See, I don't believe. I believe. Let me say this. I don't believe.
Yeah.
I don't be a total. I believe faith. Let me be. Whether they see a total, they don't see a total. I don't care to know. And they are not be a total. I believe. Where we be, now it be my identity.
Now so.
Let me will show. Madam, God will continue to bless you.
He said.
No man or woman can hammer you. Never. As far as they don't like the truth must start to the rain.
Yeah.
Yes. As far as they don't like the truth must continue to the rain. And then not truth we need.
Yeah.
Others come in when they talk, so we don't need that one. And my father is a soldier. My father got one daughter. Where is Rico? Where is the one they call her Martino sister?
Yeah.
Pina. My father said he said, not be born about the inside war. Let's for carry this speaking.
Okay.
Inside war. Let's for carry her. But I respect that daughter, I respect that woman.
Yeah.
To the beginning, I like the woman die. My mother said me the history. Not be my mother Bona. Not be the second woman Bona.
Okay.
Me go ask my mother who Bona. Ask my father who Bona. He said that he died war. When he walked there, there is bigger come.
Yo.
So we need to know ourselves. You understand, madam?
Yeah.
Who they talk make they talk. Who they lie make they love. And the Nigeria don't like truth. They don't like it. They don't like truth.
No.
They don't need who the speak truth. They don't know the day against them.
Now so.
Let be Nigeria attitude. Let be Nigeria way. Who they talk truth, that they day against that person. Who they lie, that they like that one. Who they lie.
Yeah.
I try to be like that. Madam, I say God beg you, God will continue to protect you. God will continue to open the way for you. You need to preach this peace for Israel people. Let them know where they belong to.
Yeah.
We are not be believe. Make them know the dear and they say believe. Who be believe? Believe when they say to the king Israel. Let them say king Israel before the king's name.
Yeah.
As in Nigeria they do Igbo. Not so believe the last of the do, not so believe the last of the slave our side.
Yeah.
That the last of carry we as a slave.
Yeah.
We are not believed as a slave. We are not the slave as a Benin. We don't belong to as a slave. And then we know ourselves.
Yeah.
But believe Nigeria, people never want wake up.
Okay.
They never want wake up.
Yes, bros.
They never want wake up.
Bros, make another
They never want
podcast.
wake up.
They go wake up. No worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Madam, please, God will continue to protect you.
Amen.
I will watch you, madam.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hello, Christmas.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Are you in live video?
Yes.
We have important things to discuss later.
Okay now. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you finish, you call me.
Okay. If yes, sir. You get one this record where I go play. I want make una if you na make una listen. More na listen very well. Make una know say the Oba of Benin no be do igodomigodo. Na Ile Ife. Put that this thing for me. Make a sound. Never car. Ayo bi Ile Ife. Ayo bi obi. Hello?
Hello, mommy, ma.
Yeah?
Hello?
Hello.
Ma, good evening, ma.
Good evening. How you doing?
I thought some baro bokpa we o, some baro bokpa we.
Ise.
But one day we mo gbon. Ebo pere mama ju we, ebo pere mama ju we, won say ara ogbe afara go down.
Ise.
You we get me be almost menage my baby father.
Yeah.
Na Igbo.
Yeah.
This Benin woman, so me we cannot know anywhere. I don't even know at all.
Yeah.
Now I go to tell my baby papa say, now you can get now you want marry. It's a way be wish. It's a way be this.
Wait, na life I do. Na life. You know say I dey for life. I dey for life.
Now I come. Okay. No, I don't say you there for life. I want make the rest people the year.
Okay.
Why be say they your hate son like that? I don't say you dey life. I dey watch your life.
Okay, okay.
What thing they do then? If you see a see snake, kill that a before you kill snake.
Yeah.
What we kill their pikin? What thing we do?
Na so,
When
na so
they
they
let to
follow us.
one person up and down.
Na so.
You don't know me before. This particular woman never scared for my life before. As far as you know, say the Esa, winch, you don't know me before. How you go to call person when you don't know before? Yeah, you never communicate before.
Na their life be that. If your skin
Now
different,
be that
they
one.
go
You don't
jealous
help
you.
person without no
If you
reason.
better
Without
pass
no
them,
reason.
they go jealous
Without
you.
even seeing that person.
Na so
My
their
sister,
life.
you dey try you. Okay, maybe we know where we belong to.
Yeah.
Let them be on their own. Let we be on our own too.
Exactly. That's what
They
I
are not
want.
feeding us. We are not feeding them. Let them be on their own.
Na
It's
so
too much for them.
na
Not
that
everything is bad.
Yeah, now what Tunisian people say there is to rule themselves. I will not become the
Now,
United
never know
States.
themselves. Let me like me now. I don't already know myself.
Yeah.
Let them be on their own. Where are you from? I'm from Esa. I don't even want to know Edo State.
Yeah.
Because their own is too much.
Yeah.
I be confirm Esa pikin gidigba. Omo na bien no se no se. Osele bungbe.
Aye nata. Where no?
You don't know me, I don't know you. Why can you just be calling to somebody winch? Do you know me before? We have never communicated. I've never seen you in my life. All because of your call, there be winch. Oh, can you imagine? Even the house when even the boy, now even boy, this one even man. Okay, I rent 2 rooms. He did the second room. He did the second room. He did tell the rest people, the rest Calabar people when they inside the second room, they say some people that be winch.
Okay.
How can you just imagine? You know me before, my brother. You don't know me before, I don't know you. What thing we do now? I don't understand. Whether they like us was one person.
And so now let them good.
I beg, man, I leave you.
Oh, thank you.
Man, I leave you, yeah? Thank you very much. I like your work. I just see you for live video. Now, say make a still call.
Okay, thank
you very much, Monday. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
If yes, son, of this thing, by Mama Caho innocent. Niva what back Benin no what by Ile for that vai. Ebere mu gift na ye ancestors no say badim badika ho. Put this thing make it some people make the listing, make the hear again. Na isa ba me ke wore ma.
Present a gift for us to do thing, for us to remember our ancestor, our common ancestor, Oromina, who was a great leader, went to Benin Kingdom to be the first king in Benin, came back to Ife to be the sixth on the Ife, and they started having offspring, and to the glory of God we are the offspring of our ancestors. We have never recorded in history the altar that he was there, because he was the greatest altar ever recorded in history, and by virtue of that we want to present this spiritual gift to you that actually denotes our ancestral background of King Romeo, that became king in Oyo, became king also in Ife.
Did you hear that? The Benins who always fight that Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba man. Did you hear that? My greatest surprise is Oba of Benin was sitting down. He is the one Ooni of Ife is presenting the gift of their father, Oromiyan, to. He heard when Oromiyan said, when Ooni said that this is the gift, this is the photo of their father, the prince of Ife, who went to Benin to become the first king of Benin, and later came back to Ife to become the sixth Ooni. Did the Benin people hear that? Benins, why can't you all fight for one goal? Why can't you all tell this Oba of Benin the truth? Because he knows the truth. He knows the truth. When you people are fighting yourself, he's laughing at you because he knows that he's Oromiyan descendant. He knows that he's a Yoruba man. He never deny his family. You Benins are the one denying for him. You Benins are the one killing yourself that Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba person. Whereas he knows, he was sitting down. He was the one. They want to offer the gift of their father. Ooni said, this is a gift of our ancestor. It means their ancestor, the both of them. Ooni ancestor, Oba Erejawa ancestor. Benin people, I don't know what to call this. Is it foolishness or what? These people did not bring good thing in our land. The palace of Oromiyan never brought good things into our land. They brought cultists, they brought 401 gods, they kill people, they use our reality, they want the way they want, they intimidate us, they did all sorts of evil things to we the Aborigine. And still yet, you people are still fighting for this bastard palace. Why can't all of us raise our head and speak one voice and say enough is enough? They have to go back to Ile-Ife because it happens before during the time of Oba Ewaipe. When our fathers, they said enough is enough, the intimidation is too much that Oba Ewaipe have to go back to Ile-Ife, his father's land. When Oba Ewaipe went to his mother's land at Ikoka, they told him, look, Oba Ewaipe, you are the son of Yoruba. We will accept you to sleep only one night because of our sister that gave birth to you. But if you know you will stay in this city, you have to take this cutlass, go and start farming to eat, because we are not ready to serve the Yoruba person as our king.
Now the film,
everybody know in history that Oba Ewaipe did not stay because they want people to serve them. They don't want to work. They want to eat. They want to ride the best car. Oba Ewaipe have to go back to Ile-Ife until he now brought the juju that he used to kill Ide, use Ide for sacrifice before. That is how they cage. That is the moment they cage the Benins. Till today, the Benins become a fool to this one family. This Oduduwa, it's not even Oduduwa. Maybe it's not. We are not even sure that Oduduwa gave birth to Oromiyan. It's not sure. Because Oduduwa was the first son. Oduduwa was the first Ooni of Ife. Why Oromiyan is the sixth? So how can the first Oni will not give birth to the sixth Oni. There is something that is not clear over there, because I think it's not the gap is too much. So this is not our problem. They know where their father come from. Our problem is we don't want Oromiyan descendants in our ground, in our city, in our land, because our land, we the children of Idu, we have to possess our land, possess what belongs to us. We want all the Benis to wake up. Let us speak the same voice. Let us rise against these people. We have to erase the palace. If, for example, this palace is bringing good thing for us, there's no problem. We are all human. We can live together. But it's otherwise. They are killing us. They are using us to sacrifice. We cannot accept this again. Obaewa was there. Oni was presenting gift to him. He told him, this is our ancestor, their ancestor gift. So Benin people, why are you saying that Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba man? Why are you people saying Oba of Benin is not a Yoruba man? They tell you all should stand up to fight for what belongs to you. You people let these Yoruba people that call themselves the Benin, the Lay Binu, to be using you people for sacrifice, to be intimidating you people, is a pity. It's time for all of us to rise up, to fight for what belongs to us. If they want to stay with us, no problem, but it have to be equality. They should stop using what belongs to us. We have to also use. We deserve to live. We are human. If you come to Benin City, all the good posts, they all belong to Yoruba. Go to police station, they are speaking Yoruba in police station. In Benin. Why? Why? When you go to Igbo side, when you go to their police station, they speak their language. Go to Hausa speak their language in police station. But go to Benin, where they're supposed to speak that language, that's Edo language, or Idu language, or Udo language. But they will speak Yoruba because of Oba of Benin. When you finish your school, you want to apply in any job, they will say go to palace to go and bring what they call it, to go and bring recommendation.
Recommendation.
And when you go there, when they look at your name is not Yoruba. There's no Yoruba. There's no trace of Yoruba in your name. They will write whatsoever. They will give it to you. When you go to submit it to the job, they won't call you for the job because you are not Yoruba. Can we continue all this? Come to Europe, all the children, they are dying in the sea because of this Yoruba lineage in our land.
My people, I think I hear some youth, Mona wake up. We not get time for vote again. Mona take on a destiny to our hand. That is what ancestors want. If you not wake up, ancestors they on our back. They go lavish all those people. They go lavish them. Now go see what go happen to them. Now see. My people, now this one I can't tell you now this evening. May I go find food where I go eat. Now good night to I cover now with our ancestors. Any evil plan against you now. Our ancestors I will do it go do me go do any do go destroy her. God Almighty when he create heaven and earth, he go destroy her. So shall it be. It will be well with you now. He said.